Hi, and welcome to the Nutrition and Food Service Professional Training Booth. I am Dana Riddisel, the lead instructor. The Nutrition and Food Service Professional Training Program is an approved program through the Association of Nutrition and Food Service Professionals. In this certificate program, students complete 2 online classes along with 150 hours of field experience. The training program should be completed within 15 weeks. In the first 6 weeks, students complete nutrition concepts. In the last 9 weeks, students complete food service management. Nutrition concepts include medical nutrition therapy, nutrition screening, and menu development. Food service management includes 4 components: food service, personnel and communications, sanitation and safety, and business operations. Students should expect to spend an average of 12 hours weekly in the field experience. After completing the 2 online classes in the field experience, students are eligible to take an off-site credentialing exam. Upon passing the credentialing exam, students will be a Certified Dietary Manager, Certified Food Protection Professional, CDM, CFPP. Employment opportunities include long-term care facilities, retirement communities, hospitals, and other nutrition food service operations. If you would like to learn more about becoming a CDM, CFPP, please click the interest button for this booth.